Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, open Devices Settings and tap on Other Wireless Connections right away. Then select Bluetooth at the top and click on the gray switcher next to Bluetooth feature to activate it. Following that, just wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, click on this gear next to Part Device and choose Forget instead of Connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!